Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Monday, April 30, 2012. For the economic data, personal income came at 0.4% and we're expecting 0.2%. Personal spending came at 0.3% and we're expecting 0.5%. Chicago PMI came at 56.2 and we're expecting 60. For the markets, the S&P 500 futures saw a high of the day of 1397 and a low of the day of 1389.75. We closed at 1393.5. Today's volume was 1.3 million contracts, lower than the 20-day moving average of 1.8 million contracts. The Nasdaq future saw a high of the day of 2734.25 and a low of the day of 2715. We closed at 2719.25. The volume was 200,000 contracts and the 20-day moving average is 280,000 contracts. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at negative 634. The Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at negative 833. There were 27 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 0 new 52-week lows. For the volatility, the total contracts traded today was 572,000. The total premiums paid today was over 100 at 117 million. For the dollar-weighted put-call ratio in May, we saw 4.85, which is very bullish, with 35% of the total premiums paid. For June, we saw 0.21 with 20% of the total premiums paid. With July, we saw 3.22 with 22% of its premiums paid. In August, we saw 0.09 with 21% of the total premiums paid. So there were two very bullish and two very bearish. Okay, here we have the daily chart for ES. As you can see, we had a down day today. Nothing big, actually. Couple of handles still above the 0.6 line, which is important. One thing to take into consideration is here the CI diff. Now it's going lower, still positive, so it's good, and we're above the 0.6, which is positive for the market. With the moving averages, this is the daily chart again. We had an inside day. It was an inside day, big day on Friday. Nothing happening here. Maybe some profit taking. Today was the end of the month, so not much happening. We'll see what happens with the economic data that comes out throughout the week. For gold, very interesting action in gold. As you could see, quite a reversal. Very, very interesting. We closed at 1664.20, which was good. We were down almost 15 points at some time. Now we're looking at the 1676 level as some resistance. If we could break that, we will go to test the 1705, which is the 20-day moving average. So those are the key levels of gold. As for silver, down 1.4%. We reversed somewhat, not as much as gold. Still having some difficulties on the upside. So the momentum continues to be to the downside. I'm looking at the 3180 level on the upside and 30 level to the downside. If we break the 30, we'll probably see them 20s. So keep an eye on those levels, please. Last chart we're looking today is the VIX. The VIX today was 5% higher for the day. Still, we now are in the range again of the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average, so basically the same as we've been looking throughout the whole month of April. Just going up and down, doing nothing, basically. So we'll continue to monitor those charts. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.